Good morning, students. Now we are back with the part 2 of chapter, that is India. We were studying about India, right? That India is located in the south of the continents of Asia, and we read about all the directions, all the four directions, all the four sub directions, right or not? Now, and in our previous chapter we have read about this, that at the south there is Indian Ocean, in the west it is Arabian Sea, in the east it is Bay of Bengal. Right? Now let's start with a new topic. Now नेबर्स ऑफ इंडिया. अभी इंडिया के ना बहुत सारे कंट्रीज क्या है, पड़ोसी है, राइट? आप लोगों के घर में भी नेबर्स है, घर के आसपास भी नेबर्स है, वैसे ही इंडिया के आसपास भी जो कंट्रीज होगी वो भी क्या कहलाएंगी, नेबर्स, राइट? इंडिया हैज सेवरल नेबर्स, बहुत सारे नेबर्स हैं इंडिया के. टू द नॉर्थ वेस्ट आर अफगानिस्तान एंड पाकिस्तान. नॉर्थ वेस्ट में कौन सी कंट्रीज है, अफगानिस्तान एंड पाकिस्तान. टू द नॉर्थ आर चाइना एंड नेपाल. और इंडिया की नॉर्थ साइड में कौन सी कंट्रीज है, चाइना एंड नेपाल. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में कौन सी कंट्री है, भूटान. ईस्ट रीजन में कौन सी कंट्री है, दैट इज म्यांमार एंड बांग्लादेश. एंड इन द साउथ विच कंट्री इज देयर, श्रीलंका. एंड यू ऑल्सो नो दैट श्रीलंका इज ऑल्सो एन आइलैंड, राइट? द्वीप है श्रीलंका. See the picture. नॉर्थ वेस्ट में पाकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान है, राइट? See this picture. और नॉर्थ रीजन में सी देयर इज नेपाल एंड चाइना. Bhutan lies to the northeast. Here you can see Bhutan. It is in the northeast. You can say it in north also, and you can take it in a northeast region also. Okay. And similarly, Myanmar and Bangladesh are in which region? They are in the east region. Bhutan lies in the northeast, and Sri Lanka. Look at this country. You can see at the bottom of India. That means south of India there is which country, Sri Lanka, right? And the south of India is covered by, all the three sides is covered by water. See, the blue region is water. Now we will study about the physical features of India, right? India is a land of vastly varied landforms. We have read in our previous chapter. There are plains, hills, mountains, deserts, plateaus, forests and islands. These are known as physical features of land. What are these called? These are called as physical features. A large number of rivers flow through the land, such as rivers Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, Mahanadi, etc. These are the various rivers which flow in which country? In India. Now, on the basis of its physical features, India can be divided into 5 main regions. अब physical features के according India को हमने 5 region में divide किया है, ठीक है? What are these? The northern mountains, the northern plains, the Deccan Plateau, the coastal plains and islands, the western desert. All these topic we are going to study in your 4th class, chapter wise, okay, in detail. Now, a map showing the kind of a land of a country is called a kind of a land a country has is called a physical map. ठीक है? Physical map किसको बोलते हैं? जिस मैप में उसकी लैंड की टाइप बताई जाती है किसी कंट्री की, that is called physical map. See? These all we are going to study in detail in your further chapters. Now, states and union territories. Now, there are 2 states of government in India. Okay, there are mainly 2 states of government in India. One is the central government and other is the state government. इंडिया के दो type of government hai, which is central government, and the other is state government. Now, how many states are there in India? There are 28 states. And how many union territories? There are 9 union territories. Now, what is the main difference between state and union territory? Let's see. Each state has its own government which is chosen by the people of the state. हर स्टेट की अपनी एक गवर्नमेंट होती है जिसको कौन चूज करता है? उस स्टेट के लोग, राइट? और यूनियन टेरिटरी में क्या डिफरेंस है? यूनियन टेरिटरीज आर डायरेक्टली गवर्न बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. यूनियन टेरिटरी की खुद की कोई गवर्नमेंट नहीं होती, उनको कौन गवर्न करता है? Central government. So students, that's all for your chapter. We have completed your chapter, that is India. These all are the states and union territories there in this map. I will share you this PDF, this PPT presentation also, so that you can understand your chapter easily. Okay. Till then, take care of yourself, and in our next class we are going to solve the worksheet, right? So take care of yourself, and thank you.